I'm Katie Jobling and I work from my studio, which is in the countryside in the UK. I work mainly in oil paint and acrylic, and I really love oil paint because it's just so vibrant and it's just really nice to use, but I really like exploring all different sorts of mediums and how they interact with each other. I would describe my work as impressionistic because I like to focus on the vibe and the feeling that a painting gives you rather than just likeness of the subject. Being able to work with beautiful bright colours all day every day is just the best thing about painting, and it's what I really just appreciate the most about being an artist. When I'm painting, hours and hours just seem to fly by, and I just get so absorbed in the moment and absorbed in the creative process. I feel like with art, most people focus on the end result, the end painting. But for me, creating art is so much more than just the end result. Creating art has given me a way of putting onto canvas the way I see things and the way I see the world around me with colours and brush strokes. I feel like you can understand and explain something in a much better way than you can with words. It's a form of interaction between the artist and the canvas, and then the canvas and the viewer, and I think that whole conversation is something really, really amazing. So I'm a self-taught artist, and I've learnt mostly just by experimenting and lots of practice. My work and process is always evolving and growing and changing, and for me that's what's really, really exciting. I don't like to just paint the same thing over and over again because I just feel like that's a bit boring. Trying new things and then holding your breath to see if it's actually going to work out is all part of the fun, and I just think it's the most exciting thing about creating. Although the artist process is one of mystery, I really love to share behind the scenes and different projects that I'm working on my YouTube channel. I also find that a lot of people really want to try painting and just feel a little bit unsure about what direction to go in. So I really love to share little tips and tricks that I have with painting and to watch other people become artists and grow as well. With my YouTube channel, it's created a really amazing little community where people inspire and encourage one another, and I think that's really, really special. I feel like my artist journey is just beginning, and I feel like there's so much more growing and evolving to do, and I'm really excited to see where it's going to take me. You can see my work for sale at katiejobling.com.